So, on the Pulse has officially dropped their announcement on listing, the listing announcement. All right, quickly. So, let's read what the Pulse said together. So, big news, Seed Farm, the moment you've been waiting for is here. Mark your calendar, set your alarms, and spread the word. The listing date is locked in 0104 Seed listing. Seed's biggest day is just around the corner. The countdown starts now. Are you ready? So Seed said is going to drop the listing on 1st of April 2025. Yeah. So in this video we're talking about in this video, let's quickly dive into the video on how to link our Sui wallet to the Seed airdrop. I don't want to make this video very long. First off, we are going to go to the Seed wallet. To the Seed airdrop rather. Oh my. Okay, so this is the Seed. I'm getting to my Seed airdrop. So don't mind me, I didn't farm this Seed airdrop very much. I was only given 143 airdrop. So I'm also doing other airdrop, that I have way more than just this little that I have here. All right, so I wasn't that very serious with this. So I know many who had more than I do. So first of all, you're going to see connect your Sui wallet, check your airdrop, buy Moonbox. But we're going to talk about the Moonbox in our next video. But in this video, we're talking about how to connect your Sui wallet. So you're going to click on the connect Sui wallet, and it's going to take us to the Sui wallet website. Yeah. Now, firstly, so this is one of the things you have to understand, right? It's not advisable to connect your Sui wallet on the embedded website that is attached on the Telegram mini app, because there's no any extension that is being embedded on the website browser. So for you to connect your Sui wallet on the Seed airdrop, you need to download two things. You need to download two things. One, you need a Mrs. browser. All right, you need a Mrs. browser, and you need a Sui an extension, all right, which you're going to download from the Mrs. browser and integrate it into the Mrs. browser app. All right, now those are the two things you need. But if you don't have a Mrs. browser, you can also download a Kiwi browser. So Mrs. browser and Kiwi browser are almost the same. All right, you can download an extension on the Mrs. or the Kiwi browser. If you have a Mrs. browser, you have a Kiwi browser, well, we're good to go. So first off, we are gonna copy the Seed. You're going to copy the Seed address, the Seed website. You copy it by clicking on the top bar here. We're going to go to Mrs. browser. So if you haven't downloaded the Mrs. browser, all you have to do is go to the Play Store, and when you get to the Play Store, you're going to search for Mrs. browser. You're going to search Mrs. browser. This is what you are going to download, Mrs. browser. All right, but since I've downloaded it already, I don't need doing that again. So all I have to do is just open the Mrs. browser. When you get to the Mrs. browser, you're going to search for the Sui wallet extension. And once you see the Sui wallet extension, you're going to click on the Sui wallet extension, and you're going to see where it says download. And when you download it, you're going to add the Sui wallet extension to your Mrs. browser, all right, or the Kiwi browser, whichever one you're using. In my own case, I've already done that. What you're going to do is just click on the top hammer icon, and then you scroll down and search for the Sui wallet, and you're going to click on the Sui wallet. So here I am on the Sui wallet. Now, so this is the Sui wallet extension which I downloaded from the Mrs. browser on the Mrs. browser. So quickly, since I've already created my own already, in your own case, if you're joining new, you're going to see create a new passphrase account. So when you click a new passphrase account, all right, but let me do this one, but let me unlock mine so you see the way it is on the interface and see how it looks like. All right, so I'm going to unlock mine, delivering power system. All right, so this is how the Sui wallet interface looks like on the Mrs. browser. So in your own case, once you create the wallet, we create a new passphrase, you're going to see where it says copy your seed phrase. All right, when you copy your seed phrase, you're going to paste it somewhere where no one will see it. All right, you are the only one entitled to have the seed phrase, just like you have in your Pi. If anyone could have access to your seed phrase, you lose your seed phrase forever. All right, after you've created a new phrase, it's going to ask you, either it's going to ask you to unlock or set a password. But if it doesn't ask you to do that, you're going to see copy, and what you're going to do is copy it. All right, and once you copy it, you're going to store it somewhere where you'll be able to see it. All right, so what you're going to do is view the account. So now we are already into the seed phrase account, and I'm sure you've already stored or saved your seed phrase, your Sui wallet address seed phrase. All right, so what we're going to do is on the same message browser, we're going to go to the seed website. All right, so this is the seed go that we're going to search for it. All right, here we are on the seed website. So what you're going to do is going to open Telegram. All right, from the seed website. All right, so it's going to take us to the Telegram. Login. So we're logging in. So we have you are successfully authorized on the seed site. Now you can go back to the site. All right, what we did right now was authorizing the login for the seed entry on the Mrs. Browser app. Please do not forget how, if you don't understand this video, kindly go back to the video so you understand it. You can rewatch this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, or subscribe to this, follow me on Facebook. Now we have already signing into the seed airdrop from the Mrs. Browser. All right, please do not forget how we did it. If you like the video, please kindly like, subscribe, follow my Facebook and my YouTube channel. If you don't understand it, you can watch the video back all over again, and you can also respond. You can also comment down below. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. All right, so what we're going to do is connect our Sui wallet, which we downloaded from the extension. All right, so what we're going to do is click on the seed, and it's going to take us to the seed wallet. All right, so quickly we're going to connect the Sui wallet. You're going to click on the Sui wallet, and we're going to click on the Sui wallet which we've created on the message browser. All right, so we're going to click on connect. Connection, we try again. All right guys, so I've been trying the Mrs. Browser, and we have tried to link our Sui wallet severally on the Mrs. Browser. There was several failed attempts on it to connect, so what I had to do was switch to the Kiwi browser. All right, now the same process on the Mrs. Browser is what you're going to use on the Kiwi browser. Let me quickly show you so that in case you are lost on the video. All right, let's quickly show you on this place. Sui browser, Sui wallet extension. When you click on the Sui wallet extension, it's going to take you to, you're going to take it there. All right, so you're going to click on the first one that pops out, which is the Chrome. So where you see add to Chrome, I already added mine, so it's saying remove to from Chrome. Since I already added, I don't need to do that again. All I have to do is go back to the Telegram website. So how I got here, you're going to click on the Sui website, which we copied from the Telegram app, which is the playseedgo.com/dashboard. So you're going to see connect to Telegram. You're going to log into the Telegram, which is going to send to you to your Telegram mini app, and you're going to log in directly from there, so you can have successful entry into it. Now quickly we're going to connect our Sui wallet to the embedded Sui wallet on our Kiwi browser. So what you're going to do, you're going to click, and we're going to click on it. It's connecting. All right, it's taking us there. This video is a little very hard for people who don't understand this, so I'm trying to break them down piece by piece. So we're going to connect, we're going to confirm, we're going to click on the sign in again. So we're going to click on sign in. Yeah, it's taking us. So we have successfully connected our Sui wallet, which is in the Kiwi browser. So the Mrs. Browser, I think, is having some interface problem, or the UI, I don't understand it. So we're going to use the Kiwi browser in case you want to sign in on your own path to the you want to link your Sui browser, your Sui wallet address to the Telegram mini app seed airdrop. All right, so we are back to the seed app. We're going to click on the airdrop. When we click on the airdrop, so we've connected our Sui browser successfully on the seed airdrop app in the mini Telegram app. So that's how to connect your seed wallet app. Thank you, and see you in my next video. All right.